Peace. Assalamu alaikum. This is Lorena. So, this is the charitable cause warmer for this season. It comes with 3 light bulbs, red, purple, clear, and blue. So, I'm going to wrap this with cellophane, tie a bow on it, and I don't want to have to worry about the chocolates melting, so I didn't do any chocolate candies in here. This is pretzels, candy hearts, and some organic fruit chew candy. So that's what I'm putting in it, just a little something. And then they can purchase their bar separate because I don't know what kind of bar the person wants. So I don't generally put a bar in the basket with the warmer. I let them pick their own. All right, peace. Assalamu alaikum.